my respected teacher and my all dear friends. A very beautiful good morning.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. My name is Ritu Bharti and my father name is Ramnath and I belong to Ghosi. I study in BA first year of DSSA college. Now I am 19 years old. Today my topic is importance of English language and how to speak in English. First of all, I would like to say you should have belief on yourself, because when you will when you have belief on yourself, so you can do anything. No matter this is English language, this is other language, you can do everything. So now I am going to tell about some tips that how to speak English. There are four things. First thing is listening, second thing is reading, and third thing is writing, and fourth thing is speaking. As you know, speaking is a very important thing. You can say practice. So without practice, you can't learn anything. So in listening, what can you listen? So in listening, you can listen videos of Priyanka Chopra, because Priyanka Chopra knows very good English, and you can watch video with subtitle, because when you will watch video with subtitle, that time you can find new vocabulary, new word. Suppose that time you don't know what is meaning of this word meaning, what is meaning of that word meaning. So after watching video, you can search on Google and you can find what is meaning of this word meaning and what is meaning of that word meaning. So in a one day you can listen half hour, 1 hour, according to your time you can listen. And second one is reading. Reading is the most important thing, because when you will write, so that time also you will find new word, new vocabulary, and that time you will know what is the spelling of this word and what is the spelling of that word. So as I told, according to your time you can read 1 page, 2 page, and what will you read in reading? You can read your book and you can read a newspaper. If you don't have newspaper, so there are, in this era there are many applications are available. You can download that app like short news app, and you can read from there. And third is writing. Writing is the most important thing. When you will write, so you will know what is spelling of this word and what is spelling of that word. Okay, so we all should write at least 1 page or 2 page in a one day. And last is speaking. Speaking is a more important thing. You can say practice, because without practice we can't learn anything. So as you know, practice makes man perfect. So it's depend on only practice. As much as possible you can practice. And many people say like this, that I don't have partner, so how can I speak English and how can I learn? Before sometimes this thing I told to sir, that I don't have partner, so how can I practice? Sir, that day told me this is pretend and nothing else. So that day I know that this is a pretend and nothing else. Even then I don't know why did I say like this. So sir, that day gave some advice. Sir told to me, you can download app. There are many applications. You can find partners and you can practice of them. So that day I went home, and I downloaded that app. From that day I practice daily, and you know, I improve a lots of, and nowadays also I practice. So I want to say that if I can, so you can also. So keep on. And now I am going to tell about importance of English language. So I practice on that app. So I found many people on that app. In this time they are in abroad like Canada and Australia. They are earning more and more money, like 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh per month, only because of English. So English is a very important thing. So I would like to say we all should know how to speak English. Now I am going to tell about some line in Hindi. कि मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है। डरने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, कि डरने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है। सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू फिनिश माई टॉपिक। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी।